Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, one of the original sharks from Shark Tank. Ever wish you had a sturdy workbench available when and where you need it? Here's an amazing solution from Keter.
Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIYer, take your workbench to your project, wherever that happens to be. The Keter Folding Work Table is the perfect mix of on-the-job versatility. Lightweight, it's easy to carry to any work site. It opens and closes in seconds and is compact enough to store almost anywhere. Enjoy 5 square feet of workspace that can hold up to 1,000 pounds. There's also a convenient shelf that can hold all the tools and supplies you'll need for the job. And 2 uniquely designed clamps hold your work steady, vertically or horizontally. Tough enough for a pro, simple enough for a DIYer. Get your Keter Folding Work Table today. They're available now at HomeDepot.com, Amazon.com, and Sam's Club.